Nature provides the humans, animals, and all the living beings on the earth a place to live. So let's take care of nature and don't abuse it. So come plant a tree and let's make our nature great. Being in nature makes us happier and healthier. Tropical forests provide ingredients for important medicines, for instance, and sustainable use of such resources ensures they'll continue to exist for future generations. Not only human beings but also animals and all living things. Our forests, rivers, oceans and soils provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we irrigate our crops with. So let's love nature and embrace it.